Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught mansion.
My real name is Dexter. I got a lot more diamonds too. I just got new diamonds, by the way. Oh, whoa. Dexter. Oh, baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no plan, baby. You did. Dexter. Oh, wait. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't doing no plan. These red bottoms.
What's good, my Supreme team? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. Now I know you're looking at me like, girl, you got a little glow to you. You got a little vibe. It's a vibe. Like, oh, you're looking like a whole natural snack mommy. Let me stop. But today's video is gonna be my makeup no makeup / natural makeup look, and this is the look that I have so far. You know, it's nice and simple, but you still glowing. You know, you still glowing. You still glowing. But you know, because it's the summertime and you wanna be looking still cute, but it's too hot to have a full face of makeup on. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my natural makeup no makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But first, if you're new or returning and have not already, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Supreme team. The Supreme team is going to the top and the grind cannot stop. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. Then we are going to be on the road to 1K. Now I know we could do it, guys, because we're the best team on the tube. So without further ado, let's jump on into this makeup tutorial. Alright, you guys, so since this is the summertime, I'm not really going to do much to do my natural no makeup look because it is the summertime. So I'm just going to stick with the basics, which is just eyebrows, highlight, and lips, and eye mascara. So we're just going to start off. So I'm going to start off with my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the color of chocolate. And then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and this is gonna be in the color Urban. This is how it looks so far. And now I'm just going to go in with my dip brow in the color Urban. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, as you guys can see, and it's in the color Toffee. And I'm going to go in with a brush like this. I don't know what it's called. I'm just called as a mini oval because it's like a mini oval. And I'm just going to squeeze some out and, you know, outline my eyebrows. Y'all already know the routine. Sure your eyebrows match, girl, because if not, then you gotta go back in and do what you gotta do. You feel me though? You feel me? Now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna be looking down for this, so let me position this mirror. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with my little old beauty blender. Just gonna blend it in. How I look. I know. Sharp bitch. Let me see. Let me stop. After I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my eyebrows. So after I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my eyebrows with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder in the color Perfect Beige. I'm just gonna set my eyes. So I'm just gonna do like I always do, pour a little in the cap, well, a lot. And I'm going to take my square beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm just going to go in with my setting brush and just blend away the setting powder. My Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, now that I have set my face. I'm putting this on my real eyelashes because in the summer I don't have time to be putting on eyelashes for them to just be sweating off and falling off. Okay? Okay. As you guys can see, it looks really nice on my real eyelashes because it makes it look more of a natural look. You don't have to put the eyeliner because you want it to look as natural as possible. You don't want to look like you have to, you don't want to have that makeup look. So if you want that natural no makeup look, natural makeup but no makeup look, then just do it like me. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go on with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Cinnamon. I'm gonna call it a cinnamon because I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's basically a highlighter stick. And I'm just gonna do, like, you know, right here, which is, I don't know, what do they call this? I don't know, but you know, right here, you know, your nose, your forehead, oh god, your side, girl, and your chin, and maybe my upper lip, but you're gonna see. And I'm just gonna be using my finger for this. I'm not gonna use any type of brush to blend it in. Ooh. Y'all, I know you see this highlight coming through, baby. Yes, honey. Hold on, let me do this side. You see this? Ooh, girl. Y'all not even ready for me to pop out with this on. Y'all not even ready. Now my second to last step is the lips, so I'm just gonna go with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. Now this gloss is my favorite gloss because it shows like, it gives like a very natural, like, glossy look. Like, it looks like clear gloss, but it's not. It's so beautiful. And now I'm almost done. Tear. Now my last step is my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix setting spray, and that's gonna keep my face on for the whole day. Okay.
back again. Back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I miss Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine.
Alright, you guys, so that was the final look of this, you know, summer makeup, no makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on that post notification button to know when I post, because I do post weekly. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah!
To make these bum bitches mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, bout to make these bitches rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank doll. Tail tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my ass like a stank cow.
Big bank, tight, low buy. Big bank, tight, low buy. Type of money you gon' need to sight.